Hello. So the next step is EGR valve. EGR valve was installed together with the EGR cooler. So all the gases, that is inlet and outlet for coolant, and the gas is going this way up to EGR valve. So we got the two bolts here for cooler, and they are connected on the bottom here to EGR valve. The EGR valve is electronic one, so we got the connections on the top, electromagnets and the exhaust and inlet for gases. EGR valve itself is connected to this bracket. This is a bracket. This is EGR valve. So this bracket on the bottom here is got a 1, 2, and 3 bolts on the bottom, and the EGR valve itself is connected to bracket by 3 bolts. The first one is here, and the second and third are here. So we got a three bolts holding EGR to bracket, and they are another 3 bolts holding the EGR on the bottom to cooler, to this pipe which coming as a cooling element. So and then the EGR valve itself is also connected to bracket. There's a metal bracket, this one. So we got a 1 bolt on the bottom and 2 bolts on the top in this location. So to remove the EGR for install, bracket, connection between EGR valve and bracket as well, small bracket, this one, and then there's a 1 Allen key here plus 2 bolts to exhaust manifold. So that's the progress for this moment. We'll see what next. Okay, so the next step is we connect the small metal pipe here up to the turbocharger, the valve here. So it was extra cover the special pipe with the metal coat, net coat. 2 bolts here on the top only. They holding M6, so 10 Newton meters only. Simple little story. And this pipe is braided with a metal net, so it's better protection from overheating for rubber. So yeah, it's a job sorted. And the bracket, also bracket for ECU for ECU was installed here. 3 bolts only, 2 bolts on the top and 1 nut on the bottom. They are M6, so only 10 Newton meters as well. So at the moment we are pretty much ready for the cables to back, engine wiring loom,